I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to deal with difficult behaviors that interrupt instruction. And today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Here goes. Why can't our kids play? Is it video games? They're so aggressive. We can't play kickball anymore in our school, or Foursquare anymore, or any of those types of games because they just can't seem to handle it. Do you have any ideas? Oh boy, do I have ideas. Here we go, folks. Well, you and I all know that we kind of shot ourselves in the foot when it came to behavior and play. We took away a lot of recess time to get more academics in, not understanding that that was going to work against us. Because as we know, play is the place where you learn all of your problem solving, your boundaries, your executive functioning skills, organization, planning. So much is happening during play, not to mention some of the social emotional stuff. And what to do when you have nothing to do, because kids just don't know how to sit and do nothing either. So they constantly have to be structured and entertained because that's just the way they are sometimes. So is it video games? Do I blame that? Probably not. Probably not as much as I blame music for poor behavior or language. Why can't they play? Because they don't play enough. And really, that's the bottom line. If you can't do something, you should probably do more of it because you get better at it. And we all know that. So what do? Stop banning these games. I can't even tell you. I go into some schools and I see, okay, we can't play kickball, football, wall ball, tag, Red Rover, Duck Duck Goose. We can't play any of this anymore. And some of you are like, what the heck is Duck Duck Goose? I know that's an old one. But we ban everything as a reaction to their inability to play. So let's stop reacting and let's start responding. If they can't play these games, then we play them more. We play them with them. We get them in a place where they can play them without running too much interference in the middle. So stop banning it, start doing more of it, and understanding that, yeah, they have some aggressive models around, maybe video games or something. But if you ban everything they're allowed to do in school, where are they going to learn to change that? Thanks for that question. And if you have questions that you'd like to see in a future episode, please include those in the comments below.